Have you ever wondered what your old coins might be worth? Today, we're taking a closer look at a 1999 D dime in good condition and its value at a recent Heritage auction. Heritage Auctions is one of the largest numismatic auction houses in the world, and their auctions attract collectors and investors from all over. So, what did this 1999 D dime sell for at a recent Heritage auction? The 1999 D dime in good condition sold for $1,000 at Heritage Auctions. Now, you might be thinking, why would anyone pay almost $2,000 for a dime? Well, this particular dime is a highly sought-after coin for collectors because of its rarity and condition. The D-Mint mark on the dime indicates that it was minted at the Denver Mint, and this particular coin is considered rare because of its low mintage. Additionally, the coin's good condition adds to its value. If you have a 1999 D dime in good condition, it might be worth taking a closer look at its value. According to the chart, the value of this dime has steadily increased over the years. One important factor in determining the value of a coin is its grade. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with 70 being a perfect, flawless coin. The better the grade, the higher the value of the coin. If you're unsure about the grade of your coin, you can take it to a professional coin grader who can give you a better idea of its condition and value. There you have it. A 1999 D dime in good condition can be worth $2,000 at auction. If you have a similar coin, it might be worth looking into its value and considering selling it at auction. Thanks for watching.